So when we last left off, we actually managed to get an Electron app up and running. It's not much. It's it's really a Windows app based on JavaScript, and it's interesting because it's pretty quick. So just to demonstrate what we have and where we're at, I'm gonna run it, pull it into screen. So we have an Electron app. It's nothing major. Turns out Electron is actually pretty simple. It's a few files. You tell Electron where where the files are that it needs to pretty much run, and basically it renders a Windows app. I mean, as you can see, this is a Windows window. um, and where we got stuck at though is in getting a view based app to pull in the necessary files to render, the basic view hello world app. And as you can see, there are some files it's not able to fetch. And it's my assumption and my guess is that this is happening because even though we did create a basic Electron app, we don't have the files in the right place. And so, in the interest of time, rather than just spending an hour looking into why this isn't loading, where this is that, where that's at, and this and that, I'm just gonna unfollow a another. Uh, we're gonna follow another um set of instructions and just get view going, and then we'll go from there. And again, the aim of the project is to create uh, sort of like the ability for me to type messages on the screen, so that I don't have to translate everything I'm saying into Spanish. Maybe I can just drop like a chat bubble on the screen, giving sort of like a small synopsis of what it is I'm doing. And that way I can continue to just broadcast in English and at the same time uh, take care of our Spanish speaking audiences. So, with that being said, um, let's get going on that. Managing the Windows Lifecycle app. Yeah, we kind of read this yesterday. We kind of know what this is all about. We're really just recreating the file we created yesterday, the main JS file. I guess we're just recreating it here. This guy is going through the process of doing some of what we did yesterday. And in the interest of time, I'm not going to copy paste. We did type literally these exact words yesterday. It seems like I found a good walkthrough yesterday, but it was incomplete with regards to adding view to the Electron application. Now that we have created the Electron, I'm a little bit backwards now. I already have view. Um, but maybe we could even reset if this doesn't work. So hmm, I don't like that. I mean, this guy. Hmm, he's pulling. He's pulling view from a CDN. I mean, nobody builds like that. I mean, at least I don't want to. Just a moment. We'll pivot. Pivot with me, I guess. See if there's any comments in here that there's no comments. All right. See now we're talking. See this guy. Adding. Let's take a look at. Let's try to see if we get somewhere here. We already did this, obviously, and this is new. So we need to create a directory. I don't know if it should be inside of source or inside of. Where should it be? This guy does not have it. He has it inside a. Okay. Or our main JS file needs to live inside of a. He has like a. Yeah. I guess that's where that lives. And disclaimer for run. Oh boy. We need to start our view project in a console and next create another one to start the desktop app. Interesting. Hmm. We have dev. Let's make sure we have the same script. Dev, which is Vite build. Okay, and we have. He's calling it. Yeah, I kind of like that better. Better than start. Start's a bit vague. Let's see. All right. So this is his main file, and again, uh, it's the same thing we kind of did yesterday, where we set up the main file, which sets up Electron. If you can see, if we can read here, the app dimensions, and things of that nature. In the interest of time, we'll just copy it since we did it yesterday. I don't like copying code, to be honest. Um, because by typing it, I often commit it to memory. It's one of my main tools for committing things to memory. Um, so he does call it main preload JS, and I'm wondering where he put that file. He put it inside of a folder named render. Interesting. Okay. All right. Okay. And uh, oops. Okay. Okay. Um, I'm sorry. I should be reading this stuff out loud, even if. Yeah. My apologies. Call this method in our view app this way. I wonder where he's got this. Sounds like he's got it inside a view somewhere. Um, main main.js or app.view. Not sure. As part of setup, maybe. Actually, let's not be concerned with that right now. It's complete. Let's type npm run electron in our terminal and take a look at the results. Excuse me. Let's just see where we're at. I mean, he says that's all it takes. I figured we just had files in the wrong place, potentially. I don't know though. I think there's still something else missing that he didn't address in his instructions. But we'll see in a moment here. See, yep. So, well, let's find the. Did I? Oh my gosh, I must have zoomed in or something. My apologies. I believe our main here. Yep, there we go. So that'll help. I don't think that's it, but that'll help. All right, so we've got our window here, and it's throwing up an error. Not sure what the heck that's saying, really. Probably it's just a standard error warning. Um, I'm not really following. He never ran the view app. That's the problem. He never. Maybe I don't know. I'll try everything. I'll try buy build. Try to build. Sorry. This is cramped. I'm sorry. Let's just go. Is it byte build? It's build. Run build. And it's also run Vite. Dev rather. All right, we got that going. Maybe we'll run Electron here and just. Oh, it worked. It worked. I mean, it kind of worked. I'm pretty sure there's some files here not making it through. Yeah. This is cool. I don't mind these errors. Our app's working. So guys, we finally have our app up. We're making progress every day. This is a short stream. Just to recap what we've done. We haven't really done much, but we looked up how to get an Electron app running. And if you're confused, what the heck is an Electron app? It's just a Windows app. It's just literally taking a browser web page. Literally, it could be words and throwing it on a Windows window so that we can treat it like an app. And we figured that out. Now the next step is to add complexity, to add whatever features we want to add. In my case here, I like View, so we're gonna be using View to create the user interface and whatever it is we're gonna be creating for this little chat messenger um, app. Again, it's not a messenger. It's just basically an overlay generator for Twitch. So I'll generate an overlay. It'll render on the screen so that I can talk to people via text as well as, my speech. That way I can possibly type in Spanish, speak in English. So that'll be next. It's kind of late. I don't want my brain to get fried. Let's call it here. I'll be signing off and improving. Thank you for putting up with me. If you're watching my streams, I'm learning and literally getting better every day on this Twitch stuff. So see you soon.